Hello, in this video I will show you how you can hide apps on OnePlus Nord 5. So first of all you have to open the settings. From here go to security and privacy. Now scroll all the way down and here you are able to find hide apps. Now click on get started and here you have to set a privacy password first. So go to the settings and set your privacy password. Now you have to confirm your privacy password, and from here you have to select recovery email or question. So let's take question, for example. You can select this question from here and also set the custom question. So now you have to type in the answer in this section and click done. Click get started and here you can select access for the hidden apps menu from the home screen icon or access by using dial pad. So I will show you two ways for it. First I will show you home screen icon. Click customize and also you can set the name for this app, for this hidden apps. When it's done, click save, and now as you can see I have hidden apps over here. I just simply have to open it and click add apps. From this section I can simply add apps to hidden menu. As you can see here I have my hidden apps. So also I will show you the second way for this hidden apps menu by using dial pad. So now I am selecting it and you have to go to the settings and set access code. As you can see here is the hash, numbers, your password I mean, and hash. So let's take hash 1111 and hash. Click done and done. Now go to the phone and open the dial pad. Enter this code that you created, and now as you can see you have hidden apps menu from using dial pad. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.